So if you're looking for a coffee table that would take not too much space, because this one is about 36 inches wide by about almost 20 inches tall, but it has a feature that I think it's really cool. I want to show you the assemble right here. Everything is explained in the instruction manual. It's super easy. We did it with my wife, and once I figured out one of the parts, you will have to repeat the same process for 4 parts. I'll show you that in a few seconds. So it will take you about, I want to say, like probably in between 5 to 7 minutes per part. So between 20 to 35 minutes, something like that. No more than that, if you can do it alone or you can do it with someone else. But the good thing about this one, the feature that's actually kind of like nice to have, is that this one can be this coffee table or can be 4 different coffee tables. How? Take a look at this. You can actually tear it apart and just make this one to be either 4 different coffee tables or one with different designs. Let's take a closer look. So first, I want to show you this. Each one of the parts comes with kind of like rubber legs, rubber pads right here. So it won't damage your flow and it will be even, because this one, even in the wood, in kind of like wooden place, it comes with a separate leg. So this one will be even. Anytime that you kind of like tear it apart and put it together, it will be even. So that is really good. And then as you can see over here, you can have either one big coffee table, 36 inches, or you can have one coffee table for each person. Let's say that you have 4 different people sitting in 4 different chairs, so you can actually give them a place to put their drinks, food, books, whatever. Or if you're kind of like having a game night or something like that, each person can have one of this one for like putting the cards, putting the, I don't know, like the pieces of the game board, something like that in each one of these tables. Also, by the way, each one comes some storage, so you can have it for decoration, or if you want to do it for snacks, you can do it as well. But I think that each one of this one may have a purpose. Like one can have candles, the other one can have books, the other one can have movies, things like that. So it's going to actually be a really nice decoration as well. But you can have this one just like this, separated all together in one single big coffee table, or one big square coffee table with a hole in the middle. So that's kind of like minimalistic. Or you can do something like this as well. My light just ran out of battery, so sorry about that. But we can actually see through like pretty much the same. But you can actually kind of like play a little bit of this game and build your own coffee table with the storage, with the rubber pads at the bottom, and of course all the storage on the bottom part, as well as this sectional, kind of like having both all the super big coffee table all together, or the 4 different ones, or the S shape, or kind of like the square one, whatever you want with this futuristic or minimalistic coffee table.